How's it going, Mechanatics? Today's video is going to be a bit different. It's like the title says, top 5 gifts for Father's Day. Of course, those gifts being tools. I'm going to try to stay under the $100 range. And it's going to be tools that they may already have, but I'm pretty sure they wouldn't be, mad to get a second set. And yeah, let's get right into it. Again, let's try to keep these gifts under $100. Starting now with the Hercules 20-volt vacuum. This is probably going to be one of the pricier gifts. It's going to run you $60. Yeah, it's a really good tool to have. It keeps your vehicle clean. I'm pretty sure they're going to keep it mostly there in the vehicle. It's just the tool itself, so just keep that in mind. I don't know if you want to just ask if they already have 20-volt batteries that are in Hercules, and if they don't, if they just have the charger, sometimes they'll just get the 12 volt, and yeah, you can just get the 20 volt at that point. But yeah, as long as you make sure that they do have at least one or the other, this is a good tool to have. It's very compact. I keep this in my vehicle and I don't really take it out of there. Once in a while I'll take it up to do vacuum and upstairs, but other than that, it's really for the vehicle to keep it clean, keep it tidy. You don't want those crumbs. It picks up the trash very well. The only downside is it doesn't come with attachments. I think they're releasing some version of attachments, but it's by Bauer. I am going to review that one of these days. But this is a nice tool to have in handy. Again, it's a wet-dry vacuum, so they can get it wet. But the only bad thing about that is it seems to get the filter dirty pretty quick when you use it that way. So I don't know if you want to just make sure to get them another filter. But yeah, that's number 5. Coming in at number 4 is gonna be this golden ratchet. It's by Icon. It's gonna be this is a 3/8 ratchet, but I believe they have the 1/4-inch ratchet, and it is going to run you again $60. But this tool, you can get it, I believe you get it on special sometimes. It does go on special. I've seen it as low as, I believe, $50, if not $40. I think I've seen it for $40. That's when I bought this ratchet. It goes down as much as the regular 3/8 ratchet, and I feel that's when you should get it. It's a really good tool to have. It's exactly like the regular 3/8 ratchet, the chrome one, except this is, I guess, limited. They're limited edition. Really good ratchet to have. Again, same as the regular ratchet. It gets the job done the same way. So they'll be using this ratchet. And yeah, it's just nice to have a golden ratchet, I'm pretty sure most fathers aren't going to get this ratchet simply because it's more of a... They at times are paying a little bit more for that extra golden, look. But like I said, this does go as low as the regular Icon 3/8 ratchet. So just make sure you get it around that time, and they will love it. It's a nice ratchet to have. I use this for oil changes mostly. I also like breaking sometimes the just bolts. But yeah, it's mostly just for small jobs. As it should be with these. I mean, you will do sometimes spark plugs with these, but nothing like out of the ordinary. And again, I believe this is a nice tool to have. It's, instead of jewelry, this is the jewelry of their toolbox. Trust me, they're gonna really like showing it off. And yeah, it's again, I definitely recommend this. And this is gonna be number 4. These two items have been a little pricey, but let's go down a little bit. And this is gonna be Icon's light. It's 800 Lumen foldable magnetic light. It's gonna run you $40. But I have again seen this. I believe right now it's at $30. and it charges with a USB-C cable, so there's no worry there. I mean, if they have a phone that's USB-C, they can literally charge it with that phone charger. It's a very versatile light. This is my go-to light. This is probably my main light source. It lasts me on a good charge. It does last me, and that's why I do recommend getting this light for a gift. If they already have a light source, trust me, they're gonna appreciate having another one. You can never go wrong with a light, with any flashlight really. Well, there are some exceptions, but this one is a good one. And for the price range of, again, right now it's at $30. For that price range, it is really good. I do recommend this. It has many settings, many ways to show that light, and yeah, there's really nothing negative to say. Other than there's only one magnet, and of course that magnet is strong, but it would be nice to have a secondary magnet, to attach it, or at least a hook. A hook would have also been nice. But yeah, it's a foldable light, works as a mini flashlight even, and I definitely recommend this. It's got a good light source, it's strong, has a good charge. I charge it every other day, and that gets the job done. I do use this every day, so that's gonna show just how much it holds up. Yeah, not much else to say. Again, it's a really compact light. I I don't know. I really don't have anything to say, and I do recommend having this. I honestly would get a second one of these, just to have on my other toolbox. Sometimes I lock them now, so I would get another one. But yeah, that's number three. Number three, yeah. So now number two is gonna be Maddox Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. It's gonna run you $25. This is something else, to get as a gift, simply because they won't appreciate this gift until they need to use it. And that's pretty much with most of these tools. This one is a good one because if they don't have pliers, it comes with pliers already. But honestly, I don't really like these pliers. I do like the actual things you put in, to drill the hole, and then the thing to press in the patch, the plug. I'm sorry. These two things. It comes with it comes with two of these plug tire repair thingies. I'm not sure what you call this, but this is where you attach the plug. And I like this because if they have a drill, they can literally use it like this, and trust me, they will enjoy this. Like, before, I would have a regular plug repair kit, and no, I cannot go back. But if they don't have that drill, trust me, they will still like these handles. Very sturdy handles. They haven't failed on me yet, which is good because you do apply a lot of pressure, and I use these not daily, but I use these a lot frequently, and they have held up to it. They haven't broke. The plug ones, the regular plug plastic ones I used to have, they snapped like within the second repair. These don't do that. Again, I don't know if it's because they're heavy duty or whatnot, but it comes with this the glue, the adhesive. And again, I definitely recommend this. This is probably more of a good one if they own a vehicle, really. But really, just for anything, it's a really good all around present to always consider getting. If they already have one, again, they will appreciate another one, especially if they work in the field of vehicles and all of that stuff. It's a really good one to have. Definitely recommend this. Number one is gonna be needle nose pliers. These are my Icon ones, running you at $18.99. You can't go wrong with this, with pliers, especially with these nicely finished quality pliers. Oh, again, I never knew how much I would appreciate pliers. I honestly never used pliers that much. But once I got these pliers, let me tell you, I really appreciate them. For the price range, I would get 3-4 of these just to have them everywhere I go. I really like the teeth, the grooves, I don't know what you call this diamond shape. It's awesome. It gets the job done. You know, it's like the previous one where I reviewed the Maddox plug tire repair kit. This is my go-to. This will pull in those plugs. It pulls them in so smooth. It really gets the job done every time. And yeah, number one, like this is definitely number one on the top 5 of this video. For the price again of $20, basically, you're getting a lot out of that money. And if they already have pliers, trust me, they will be happy to have another pair of pliers, because you can never have too many pliers. And especially good pliers, you can never have too many good pliers. They will honestly like really appreciate this. If you're not sure what to get out of this list, this is the number one save go-to one in my recommendation as of now, as of this video. And yeah, nothing really negative to say about it. You know, it handles good, balance is good, the grip is good. It's just all around good. Again, price range good. Again, awesome. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, Mechanetics. Let me know if you enjoyed having a top 5s. I'm thinking of doing more of these frequently. But yeah, definitely comment down below if you want to see more in the future, in my opinion, of what I think is a top 5. Maybe I can do a top 5 least, what'd you call it? Least 5 or something like that. Yeah, let me know. Definitely let me know. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe while you're down there. This is going to be it for this one. And until next time, this has been MechaWorks. Also, happy Father's Day.